Transitions are another aspect that you can add to your presentation to give it a different dimension and to create more fluidity. To insert a transition, you're going to come to your top toolbar and select the tab that says Animations. And across the top you will see a line or a bar of several different transitions you can choose from. So select the slide in which you want to place the transition. So we select slide 2 underneath the title slide, and then you select which transition you want to put on it, and it puts it on it. And you will notice here on the side there's a little star icon on the left hand thumbnail bar. Underneath the number of slide you will see a little star. That means there's a transition on that slide. So then we're going to select slide 3 and we're going to do another transition. We'll do this one. So we have 2 transitions. Now to view your transitions, simply come up here to where it says Preview and click, and it'll show you it. You simply select your slide, click Preview, it'll show you the transition. So it's a really simple, neat technique that you can add to your presentation to give it a little pizzazz and make it more interesting.